today's video, I am collabing with Cory from the Desert DIY, and I reached out to her and asked her if she wanted to collab, and I asked her if she wanted to do a tablescape with me, like so you could get an idea from her and an idea from me. But then after we got to talking about it, she's more of like a DIYer, I'm more of like a home decor person, so we decided that I was going to do the tablescape, and then I want you to go over to her channel. She's linked in the description box. Subscribe to her, tell her I sent you, and watch how she prepares Easter brunch. So you can get your brunch ideas, and then you can get your decor ideas. So I thought it was really fun. If anything, just give you some ideas for Sunday since we're all cooped up at home. I had told her when I started, like when I gave her the idea, I was like, I want like just you to use anything that you have in your house. And so that's what I've done. That's what she's doing. And so we're just encouraging you to make Easter just a little bit special than these crazy days that we've been having. And you can do it with things you already have in your house. And that is what I want to show you today. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you what I have rounded up. Like I just went around my house and thought, oh, that might look cute, let's bring that. Oh, that might look cute, let's do that. I can guarantee you this is nothing fancy. If you're new here, from Cory's channel, just keep it super real over here and super simple. But I feel like we can have simple and beautiful and all in the same thing. So I hope that's what I can convey to you today. Anyway, let me show you what I have picked out. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I have my dollar store plates and bowls. I'm gonna use all three, the dinner plate, salad plate, and bowls, because I feel like maybe you could have a fruit parfait and you could put it in your bowl, and then you could have your eggs and stuff on your plate. Anyway, I don't have any fancy cups at all. So I'm going to use these milk glasses, which I thought would be perfect for orange juice or something. And then I have plastic silverware. I don't know where those came from. I think I used those for a birthday or something and I just had extra. I'm gonna try to incorporate these pink tulips because I have this really cute pink gingham plastic tablecloth. I have some just plain basic cheap white napkins. I'm gonna try to use these, and then I just have a few of these bunnies and this basket of flowers, and then these little tulips over here. So my idea is just super simple, fresh spring. So let's see what we can come up with. I'm going to fold these napkins and incorporate these two little cute pieces. This is just the most basic white napkin you can find. I'm gonna fold it in half like this, like a triangle, and then I'm gonna take this edge and fold it in another triangle like that, and then I'm going to start up at the top and I'm gonna start just rolling it. I'm sure you've seen these around. This is just my take on it. I'm gonna cut a piece of ribbon, and I'm gonna take the A and I'm gonna put it right there, and then I'm going to tie the bow around it like this, Whoops. And I think that's really cute. You could just leave it like that. But I just thought this little carrot would look really cute just like this. You don't have to do this, but just something extra and really cute. Just tie that on there. Like that. This ribbon is silk ribbon, but it's all I had, so it doesn't lay correct, but that's okay. And that you will go over to Cory's channel and subscribe and check it out. She does lots of awesome DIY projects. So if that's your thing, she's your gal. So go check it out. But before we end here, I wanted to challenge you guys over on Instagram, if you're on Instagram. If not, you can send me an email with your photo. I would love to see your tablescape for Easter with that you create with things that you have already on hand. I'd love to see it. So I will leave my Instagram handle here. You can tag me on there or email them to me and I will share them. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. And if you don't know, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. There's a worldwide fast happening on Thursday. And I'm going to leave the Facebook group linked in the description box, because if you just go over there and read the post, you will sob. It's amazing how we can all unite, the whole entire country, different religions, different everything, and come together for one purpose. It's absolutely amazing. So check it out. It's in the description box. So anyway, if you're new here, coming from Cory's channel, thank you. And I hope you'll stick around, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.